In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. I've already gone ahead and logged into my Google account. Now I need to access sites, so I'm going to use the app switcher. I'm going to click on that and select sites. Now yours may look a little bit different. I already have some sites created, so you might not see the same thing here, but you should see a red create button. Go ahead and click that. The first thing you need to do is select a template. Now we're going to use the blank template because we're going to add a lot of our own customizations to make the site look the way we want it to. So we're going to use blank template. The next thing you need to do is name your site. Now I want you to keep the site name short because you can see this part of the site address is already pretty long, so we don't want to add anything too long after that. You might start with your name or maybe 4th grade or the grade or the class that you teach, but keep this part of the site short. You can see that I've chosen to use my name as part of my site, and I haven't included any capitalization, I haven't included any spaces, any periods. I just add a plain basic site name. And you can see here it's also filled in down this area here. This will complete my site address. We're going to go back and change this once we get the site created, but when you're naming your site, keep it short. Scroll down. We're going to select a theme. Now there's a variety of themes that you can choose from, but we're going to really add some of our own customizations on top of the theme. So we're going to start with a plain basic theme so that we can customize it and make it look the way we want to. We're going to choose the iceberg theme, which is a nice basic theme to start. Go ahead and click the create button. It'll take just a second and it will create your new site. Once your site is created, you will see it looking pretty blank and boring. The first thing that we're going to address is the site title, which is right here. So we're going to change that. We're going to click the More button, and we're going to go down to Manage Site. And right here at the top is your site name. Now, when we name the site, that also became the site name. But we want to make this a little bit more clear, so we're going to actually edit this portion of the site name. So you can see here in the site name, now I've included the capitalization, I've included a period, an apostrophe, and a word after my name. So this is the site that will appear on the top of every web page. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And to return to my site, I'm going to click this area right here to go back. Now we can see that my website name has been changed. It's kept the same address that I originally selected, but now it's a little bit more clear up here. You'll notice that your site comes with a home page. This is the first page in your website, but just like the site title we could change, we can also change this. So to edit this page, we're going to click the pencil. You can also hit an E on your keyboard to enter edit page mode. So we'll go ahead and click the pencil. You will see that you have your text formatting options here. You've got some format menus here that we'll discuss in a later video, but the first thing we're going to do is change the name of the first page, and I generally like to call that Welcome. So I've gone ahead and changed that. Anytime I make a change, I need to click Save. And once we do that, you'll see that it has changed over here in the sidebar, and if we refresh the page, we will see that the name of the page has also changed.